So hey guys, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use someone else's sound on TikTok. So for example, I opened up TikTok, I see a video and I want to use this sound. So I have two options. First, we need to click on the sound on the bottom right corner of the screen. So once you clicked on the sound, you have all the videos with this specific sound. Now we have two options. One of them is just add to your favorites and later you can use the sound with any of your videos, or you can just click on this use sound option if you want to record video right away. So if you have a recorded video, you clicked on this add it to favorites, you just go back, you're gonna click on the plus sign to start to upload the video you want to upload. Once you've chosen the media you would like to upload, you just click on this add sound and you're gonna go to the favorites, and here is gonna be the song you have just saved to the favorites. You just click on the song and you do the steps as you would usually do. You just click on next and you upload the video. Alright, so all in all, this is how to use someone else's sound on TikTok. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.